Rollouts begun. Coming on through fast and hard. Glad I got out of the way for that one. And here is our winner of the evening. Good job, bud. Yep, that got top honor for the night. 59. Running a 348 in it. I thought it was a 409, but I guess it's 348. Very cool car. That is the first place winner for the evening. All right, Mouse and Marrier out, driving that beautiful 60 Bel Air. Great to see you, bro. Take care, love you. Bye, guys. Take care. Great car. 1960 custom Bel Air. Very sweet. And here we have a 57. Another Bel Air. Well, that was a Biscayne. Excuse me. That was a Biscayne. This is a Bel Air. All right.
Take care, brother.
You too, bro. Take care. Love that guy. Hooligans! Hooligans! Good night. There's that 56 Effie. We got some bright lights. Nice truck. Love this truck. Very sweet short bed. 71. That's why I got it home. Love it. Oh, here comes Steve Sanders. It's funny how you can recognize somebody so quickly.
You have a good night, Pat.
That's right. Good to see you. There goes Steve. Oh, I love this car. Beautiful. Beautiful car. Great. Oh, and the Camaro too. Very sweet. 67 Camaro Rally Sport. Matches the barriers. Very clean. What do we have here? Looking like a 5-window coupe. Like a hooligan. Hooligan! 3-window. 3-window coupe. Hooligan's out. Okay, who's next? Steve? Oh, yeah. Later. Hooligans are out. Yeah, buddy. Okay, who's next? Let's see who we have next here. Oh, yeah. Nice caddy. Really sweet. Yo. All videos are dedicated to the owner. Love this caddy. She is a sweetheart. And another nice convertible right behind it, I believe is 65. Oh, he's backed up too. Oh, dude, he's got great wheels on this thing too. I wonder whose wheels he's running. Might be a raised old caddy wheels. Sweet. Nice 6.5er. Goes the Renegade Jeep. Oh, there we go. There goes Enzo. Peace out. See you, Enzo.
PCTV.
Love you, brother. Like the truck. Look good. It's a fun one. Good guy. Good night now, bro. You safe? Take care. Hey! Take care. All right, Tony. Oh, there goes that beautiful Buick. That Skylark is something else. $130,000 for that Skylark right there. Be yours. Gorgeous car. What else do we have coming now? Is this the El Camino? I believe this is the El Camino that took a trophy tonight, first place. Congrats. Yeah, he took a trophy tonight. Beautiful car. There goes the Kia. Sweet. And that's pretty much calling it for the night here at Garden Grove. We got a few more coming out. Rollouts continue here at Garden Grove. Oh, it's Chris. Hey, all right, brother. Take care.
Have a good weekend.
You too. Have a safe one. Or however you have it.
Yeah.
We'll take it however we get it. There goes Chris. What else we got coming out? All right. Rollouts continue. Oh, yeah. The 58 Impala. Running Dano Live. Always on the Dano Live.
Hey, I'll see you next week.
Take care. Good to see you. And you got his Dano Live sticker right here. Always remember, every one of these is for Dano. Miss you, bro. Look at this 58 Impala, though. What a gorgeous car. Just as beautiful as you could ask for. And again, I told you guys before, I didn't used to like these cars, but they've really grown on me. And me being the biggest Impala freak in the world. Oh, such a great car. Missed it. There we go. Good night. Nice fleet line. Straight 6 action there. Off he goes. Okay, who do we have heading out now? Oh, this is that Effie.
With the
This thing's sweet. Oh, nice. I missed the pinups. I like his white walls. It's trick. And full of pinups. Very cool. It's the Firebird right here. Oh,
yeah, I'll sell the C10.
yeah. Yeah, but you need for daily. Good night. Yeah, 67, I know. Is that 350 or 400? Is it the 350 or the 400?
It was originally a 326, converted to a 400.
Gotcha. Very cool.
Oh yeah, thanks, man.
Have a good one, man. My buddy had a 350, that's what I was wondering. I hear that's a delicacy in some parts of the world. What do we have here? Oh, a Corvette.
PCTV.
All right, brother man.
Only.
Take care.
All right, buddy. Good.
He's got traction control.
That's 25 miles an hour.
Turn it off. Turn the traction control. Oh, absolutely. Look at Doug. It is Doug.
That is Mike. That's Mike Miller.
Yeah, Mike Miller. Is that Mike Miller?
Yep.
Hey, Brad Gaston. Mike Miller found. We located Mike Miller for you. Yeah. I thought the rod had let go of his motor, and me being, half with Alzheimer's. There goes the Challenger. What a clean one there. She's a pretty one. Yeah, we're getting a couple little stragglers out. The cone's already pulled. Traffic's already coming through. In fact, I got to pull my truck out here pretty quick.